Hi, and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name is Nick.
My name is Chris, and Nick, what do we got in store today?
Today we are taking a cheeky look at Stellar Lumens, the XLM, as it skyrockets to an all-time high. Well, a 2-year high. Sorry, I should say a 2-year high. After the major protocol update here. So protocol 15 on the Stellar blockchain. So this is going to be an absolutely fantastic one, Chris, as we kind of dive into everything Stellar, really. It's going to be a good one.
Super.
So as always, if you haven't done so yet, do go ahead and smash that like button for Chris. He really does appreciate it. And as always, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. By doing so, you'll be kept up to date with all of the videos and live streams that we do here at Cheeky Crypto. Right, Chris, shall we go over to the markets, see what's been happening in the last 24 hours, and then take a look at this Protocol 15?
Yeah, let's do it. I love this project, Nick.
Fantastic. Right, so here we are on coin market cap. I'll just give it a quick refresh there. We can see that we are on $568 billion for the market cap. This has just literally slipped, probably within the last half an hour or so, with about $7 billion just leaving the markets. We've seen this as high as 582-ish billion dollars today, so it's just come down a little bit on a bit of a retracement, but that hasn't changed the markets too much. So Bitcoin here is at 3% up. We have Ethereum at 0.6 up. We have XRP 23.8. We have Chainlink here at 2.5. We have Cardano at 9.1, Polkadot at 2.1, and Stellar, Chris, a massive 50% up for the day. That's the skyrocketing that we're referring to. So, it's amazing, isn't it? We have VeChain here slightly down at 1.2, Algorand 3.9 up, Ren down 2.9, Zilliqa 4.5 up, Hedera 3.3, Reserve Right 2. We have Matic 0.7, Singularity Net 9.8 positive, Fetch AI slightly down at 1.9, Harmony 5.3 positive, 4.3 for Solve, 0.7 Polymath, and for V4 it's 4.3. So a pretty good strong 24 hours, with the 7-day also looking pretty good. So I'll just call out the double digits in terms of growth here. Unfortunately, Bitcoin is only 7%, so we can't call that one out. But Ethereum is 24%, so XRP is 125%, Chainlink 15%, Cardano 48%, Polkadot 19%, Stellar 103%. We have VeChain at 24%, Algorand at 27%. We have Hedera at 14%, Reserve Rights 11%, Matic 17%, Singularity Net 21%. Fetch AI 20%, Harmony at 18%, and V4 at 13.9%. So a lot of double-digit growth as we are progressing through this little pump that we're having recently. Bitcoin crossed over into 19,000 today, so it's really good to see that was breaching that level. It has retraced a tad, and we can obviously see that 50 billion in trading volume for Bitcoin. XRP has been as high, very briefly, at 90 cents for today. Lasted a few seconds, then Coinbase failed. We can see here the strangest thing, though, is $33 billion in trading volume, yet the market cap is only 30 billion. Okay, so read into that as you will. And obviously, if we take a look at Stellar, the other one that's of note here, 3.4 billion in trading volume and a market cap of 3.6 billion. Okay, so find it very strange that we're basically completely turning over an entire market cap in trading volume in a day. So something's definitely going on with these projects, and don't normally see it as high as that. So interesting. Let us know if there's any reasons that you think this might be happening down in the comments below. We'd be really interested to know what your thoughts are. Right, Chris, that's the markets and the current situation as it stands. Should we take a look at this this article and Protocol 15?
Yeah, let's do it, Nick.
Right, so here we are. Yeah, I like that. Crypto potato. Love it. Right, so XLM skyrockets to a 2-year high as Stellar announced a major protocol upgrade. So XLM marked its highest price level since November 2018, just a day after Stellar announced a major protocol upgrade with 2 new features. So Stellar, the popular blockchain project enabling cross-border transactions between various currency pairs, announced a significant protocol upgrade yesterday. Apart from providing new features, the native crypto asset or cryptocurrency XLM has reacted with a massive price boost a day later. So Protocol 15 upgrade on the Stellar blockchain. The Stellar network connects banks, payment systems, and customers to facilitate low-cost cross-asset transfers of value through its blockchain. Stellar was unable to proceed with its latest network upgrade called Protocol 14 as the developer team basically discovered a bug in the trial during the trials. However, Stellar head of ecosystem Justin Rice published a Medium post yesterday confirming that the successful completion of Protocol 15. Now, we've spoken about Protocol 15 before on this channel, Chris.
Yep.
Yeah, and it was really good to see that the reason of why you have a sandbox and why you test these things, so you can fix any potential bugs before it gets to it. Actually, onto the mainnet. So they found this in Protocol 14, and therefore they were able to just skip straight over 14 and go straight to 15 and test that one, and obviously it's passed through. So the latest upgrade of Protocol 15, that is, has 2 new features, so claimable balances and sponsored reserves. Both have already been deployed on the testnet and aim to make it easier than ever to build user-friendly apps on Stellar. Okay, so the claimable bonuses, the claimable balances is a new ledger entry allowing payments to be split into 2 separate parts, the creation of a balance and the claiming of a balance, right? So on the other hand, the sponsored reserves will allow users to pay the base reserves of other accounts without giving over control of the underlying funds. Additionally, these features adds new extensions to account entries and ledger entries to record information about sponsorship. So Rice outlined that some users may experience errors at first following the Protocol 15 upgrade. However, they can fix the issues by simply updating the software to support it. So really good stuff with Protocol 15. Do check out some of our other Stellar videos if you want to learn a little bit more about what's going on in the background kind of stuff. So XLM price responds to fashion. Responds in fashion, so I should say. So Stellar's native cryptocurrency is called Lumens and goes under the ticker of XLM. Its price reacted to the aforementioned news with a significant price boost. Now, I don't necessarily think that this is news specific because we've kind of known about Protocol 15 for quite a few weeks now. So I don't think it's necessarily the news. It's more that it's actually being implemented and these features are there to be used. But I don't think this is the driver. I think there's other factors that are causing this, such as Bitcoin having a bit of a rally, breaching that $19,000 level earlier, Ethereum breaching $600. There is a bit of a pattern when money comes into those something like Bitcoin. All boats rise with that tide, if you will. So I think this will have played a factor for people in the space, but I also think there's a lot of other external factors that would have helped raise the price of Stellar. So XLM traded around 11 cents on November the 23rd, but enjoyed today's massive gain surge towards 19 cents on Binance. Although the asset has retraced to 16 cents as of writing, it's still a 50% daily increase. On a weekly scale, this is gained over 100%. By reaching 19 cents, XLM broke its previously yearly high. Moreover, this impressive price tag is now the highest level registered since precisely 2 years ago in November 18. So really good news for Stellar, Chris. And this is something that we both are invested in, and we pretty pro everything that Stellar is doing, and Danielle Dixon is a fantastic CEO in terms of driving the project forward. So we are incredibly bullish on Stellar, and it's fantastic to see one of the projects that we're invested in do so well. But I don't think it's solely Protocol 15 related at all. What's your thoughts on it, Chris?
Yeah, I don't think it's anything to really, well, I say anything to do with it. Yeah, solely it's nothing like, it's not solely that. Can't get my words out, it would appear. Um, but yeah, no, I think potentially, you've got a lot of people that are invested in XRP. You've got new people coming into the space, and there's lots of information on YouTube and various other channels, isn't there, about XLM. So I wouldn't be surprised if people have researched it and FOMO'd in, and had an impact on the performance of Stellar. Again, I think it's a great project. We're both invested in it. There's going to be many winners in this space, Nick.
Absolutely. So as always, guys, if you want to see Chris get better and get over his cold, go ahead and smash that like button for him. He really appreciates it, and it really does help him, make him feel a little bit better. And if you haven't done so yet, go ahead and subscribe. By subscribing, you'll be kept up to date with all of the videos and live streams that we do here at Cheeky Crypto. And with that said, we hope you have a fantastic day, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Yeah, take care, everyone.